Latin America sir mamang sum like khapa the thing that was Chile leader US assassinate wigi the socialist leader forward leader then swina Latin American countries sing the labor sing governance intervene to be was assassination plot ma'am to using directly 17 times to Cuba well known then Colombia, the Argentina, the country ma'am said that she worry kitang review ma'am the interesting way with them. And in between, okay, I
1898
yes, sir.
System level.
Okay.
International order system
okay.
Rules is international politics. So, international system.
Okay.
Sovereign states in
See, Manning the Malaba Mom.
Okay. The smallest unit we do. So, black malaria, purple malaria, red malaria, yellow malaria, country name.
Okay.
When you travel diversity name. I play the winner. I'm the superpower. So, analogy is easy. I was this is power politics. This is power politics.
Okay. Oh, I'm saying see US name. Strikers. Oh, Tilly was it. Okay. Okay. Okay, very interesting. That's intervention.
Intervention. 1898, 20th century, 94 41 times indirectly. Finally, Venezuela, the President Maduro captured another example in Panama. Panama is the US in 1989, 1989, if I remember correctly. President say Negro said US kidnapped or
Panama is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Panama kidnapped or US Panama fight the way. Panama Canal control.
Okay.
I either Yarataba when I said Yarataba. Adu the cut the money, Adu the intervention. I need the Moina High to Yaw. Yadabo can say next in line, American punishment only happening.
Okay.
So global police, the regional police.